Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time of seeing this channel, hi, my name is Joy. I'm a YouTuber based in Abuja, Nigeria. And please guys, don't make it your last. Do well to subscribe, like, comment and share. Guys, without saying much, you already know what we are making today. Guys, this vegetable sauce is one easy and yet very delicious recipe you need to try, trust me. Guys, I already sliced my vegetable to my desired size. Feel free to slice yours to any size you want. I love mine a bit chunky. And what I'm doing now is I'm taking in some boiled water, and this helps to retain the nutrients in your vegetable. So after putting the boiled water, I'll take it out immediately and go in with cold water. So I'll just set that aside and let's start cooking, guys. So I'll just go in with some vegetable oil, go in with my chopped onion and my mackerel fish. So I will leave this to fry for about 3 to 5 minutes, and guys, I'll be listing out the ingredients for this recipe in the description box, so please do well to check the description box. Guys, I'm so sorry I missed the clip where I added my pepper blend, and what I have there is tatashe, shombo and Atarodoo. And next, afterwards, I added my crayfish powder, and I'll cover this to cook for about 10 minutes. And guys, this is it. After 10 minutes, I'll just stir properly. This is one very easy and yet very delicious and yet very healthy meal you need to try, trust me. So now I'm going in with my seasoning. I'm using North seasoning for this, and I'll go in with my salt. So guys, if you've watched till this time and you've still not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Subscription is free of charge. Please and please do well to subscribe, like, comment. Guys, I can't overemphasize how I love to read your comments, trust me. Please don't just watch and pass. Drop a comment in the comment section. So guys, what I'm adding now is my vegetable, and the kind of vegetable I'm using for this recipe is called green vegetable. And guys, you can see how greeny this is looking even after adding hot water to it. Hot water helps to retain the color and also the nutrients. And guys, I'll just combine this together, combine well, and then cover to steam for about 3 minutes. And guys, your vegetable sauce is ready to be enjoyed. So guys, what would you be pairing this with? For me, I love to pair my vegetable sauce with rice, white rice, or even jollof rice, or even fried rice, just any kind of rice you want to pair yours with. Anything you want to pair yours with, this goes well with everything, trust me. So I'll just cover this to steam for about 3 minutes, then serve. Guys, this was super delicious, trust me. I so enjoyed this. So would you be trying this recipe? This is very simple, easy to make and yet delicious. So thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. Bye bye.